Hello, my name is Anna Ramirez, and this is a video for an extra credit assignment for my CNIT 103 computer hardware class. All right, let's get started. I'm going to kind of go over what I will be doing in this video. I wanted to talk about the equipment that I've purchased for this course. This is a power supply tester, and this is a digital multimeter, also a form of testing the power supply. So yeah, I've never used these tools before, and it's going to be really exciting to see them, putting them into use. And actually, I remember about a week ago, there was something wrong. I work in security, and there was something wrong with my two-way radio. So I took my radio to get looked at by radio maintenance here and at work, and they used a multimeter to test the power supply, just to troubleshoot what was wrong with my two-way radio. So I'm gonna try and see if I could figure this out. So yeah, real quick, this is all that's in the box. So there you have it. What this is. Okay, cool. I guess we'll be putting it together, and I'm gonna try and recreate what the radio maintenance dude did to my two-way radio and see if we could get this thing functioning. All right, so we're gonna use the multimeter to test. There's 3 different tests. You could do the volts, amps, and the umps. Now, you could also test for continuity, but that's not something I'm going to do today. So I believe this one goes here, and this one goes here. Cool. And when we turn it on, you could test for AC, DC, whatever. AC is current coming out of the walls, inside the building structures, and it's alternative current, and DC is direct current. So I think we'll test for DC voltage. As I turned it on, and has a bunch of numbers going crazy, and that's probably because I'm in a control room with a bunch of electricity. Now I don't know if I'm doing this correctly, but so when I do that, it still doesn't do much. Interesting. I found this to be very interesting. This is something we learned in the course: DC voltage, AC voltage. So it kind of gives you frequency ranges as well as input impedance. So my power supply testing didn't go as planned. I still have quite a bit of work to do on that, but yeah, so that was kind of cool unboxing. But what I do want to show you is my Ethernet cable, or how I connect to my company's VPN. This is a company issued. It's what we use to connect. Instead of an Ethernet cable, we use this for our company issued Dales. I didn't bring my laptop today, but normally I would plug it into the side of my laptop, and not only will it charge my laptop, but it also automatically connects to my company's VPN. And this phone here is connected to the WAN. So our company's line, which I thought was very interesting to note. Actually, I have another phone, and this one also connects to our company's one. It's an internal phone. And one last thing, I want to tell you a little story about video cards and RAM usage. Like I said before, I work in security, and I work in the control room. We were setting up our operation control room with cameras, and each screen held about 18 cameras, and the cameras were losing connection to the server and freezing, and we weren't sure, well, the camera views. So I wasn't sure what was happening. So I submitted a help request to get with IT, and when they came down, their assessment was we didn't have enough RAM. The video card that was issued could not hold the cameras or the camera views. So that's when I learned the importance of measuring your RAMs and video cards to the specs that you need. So I contacted the company, the security company, to get the required specs for us to view the cameras properly. So once we received that information, we were able to order our the correct video card, and they actually had to replace the computer because it just couldn't hold, the capacity of the computer couldn't hold what we needed. So yeah, interestingly enough, I felt like it correlated with our computer hardware class. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video.